My video guide is about removing the pop-up notifications that are coming from the site devicedefense.com. Devicedefense.com is a malicious site which attacks many browsers today. Devicedefense.com claims that it is trying to help you find some software for protecting your gadget. However, all these pop-ups by devicedefense.com have in mind to force you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. Also, these pop-ups try to persuade you to be subscribed to their push notifications. If you click on this button, you'll be forced to click on this allow button. And if the allow button gets clicked, the browser may be hijacked, you may be redirected to some other questionable content, and also you will start receiving a lot of annoying advertisements popping up on your computer screen. You should deactivate these ads immediately. So to deactivate them, access the menu Settings, select Privacy and Security, then Site Settings. Go down to Permissions, choose Notifications, and research the sites that are allowed to send notifications. If you find any junk sites here, including this devicedefense.com, you should remove it from the list. To make sure that your entire computer is free of any other hidden threats, I would recommend researching your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and the best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. So use this green download button, install the program, and begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.